Hi all. Today we can go through FACTSBrandQueryAnalyserAndSQLProfiler. Before going into that, normally how we are analyzing any query or then if you want to check something from database, how we are normally doing. Before going into our FACTSBrandQueryAnalyserAndProfiler, we can go through. First, we will go through our normal course, how we are doing the query and how to enable the profiler in SQL Server. Okay. So normally we need to go to the management studio to select any data or from the table. Once the management studio is open, we need to connect the particular data server. Then we are doing the query in our management studio. So we are writing a query and we are taking the result. Okay. The same query analyzer we have in our application, and we can trace a query or whatever the going to the profiler we can enable. And this one is the normally management studio we are using. Then how to enable the profiler in the SQL Server? We need to go to the profiler. So we need to configure where we need to trace that SQL Server name we connected. Then event selection, we need to show all events, show all columns, and the column filter. In that filter we can specify which database we need to trace. That is the database name we need to give. So we are tracing a database FACTSBrandQueryAnalyserAndSQLProfiler demoland. So we can give the name, and from where the host name we can specify from which computer, because if you are enabling for the database all the transaction from different system, different host, it will take. For a particular host name we can give, like our computer name we can specify laptop -15 HP. Okay, then run. Now you can see what are the traces happening in this one. So I'm logging in from my PC to our demo lab. So now you can see here what are the procedures, underlined procedures, or what are the queries executed when we are logging from our application. Okay, now I am clearing this one. So all traces I cleared. Now I need to know the underlined procedure for a particular list or particular report, or that for that I am tracing this one. Okay, then I am taking a list, masters, inventory, stock master, finished goods. Okay, I take this window. So I need to know underlined procedure. For that I am going to the trace. I can see here USP underscore execute list form procedure, it's running in that one. USP STK list, this is the procedure name, it is already mentioned. So this way we are tracing the procedure in normal course. So we need to go to the SQL profiler, we need to enable. So other settings also we need to do for that. Okay, instead of that, we can directly enable this profiler or query analyzer from our application. For that, we have an option FACTSBrandQueryAnalyser in our application. So for that, you can go to the utilities, other utilities, Facts implementation team options. In that, you can find out the option called FACTSBrandQueryAnalyser. When it will open up, it will showing as a query analyzer, and you can see a profiler window, and it is directly connecting to that particular server and its database. So if you want to select any query or you want to select a data, you can write the query in the query analyzer. Select star from stroke master, and you can execute this query. You can see here the result is coming here. Like that, you can query. Okay, then you can enable the profiler here. Just click the facts profiler, then start profiling. Then it will show the what are the procedures you are executing, or when you are selecting an option, you can go through that HR module, masters, HR, okay, employee master. Now we are opening up a new screen called employee master. For that, what are the procedures or what are the scripts running under behind the database, that we can see brand query analyzer, you can see it here. Okay, now you can see here, okay, this one you can see master employee email action log, it went and execute from procedure it's run. So this way you can find out the procedures. So this is what are the you can do the profiling from our application. Okay, instead of using SQL profiler, we can use our FACTSBrandQueryAnalyser and this profiler. And for easy purposes, you know, some, okay, we have a list procedure, so we have the register, and we have the reports also. So in that one, if you want to some errors or some query analyzer, or directly we need to go to that particular procedure, if you want to know, you can see here the list. You can see edit list procedure in the bottom side. You can see a link label. If you are clicking here, it will open up our query analyzer with the corresponding procedure. So you can see it here, that procedure name employee active list procedure is opened. So you can alter the procedure from here itself. You can find out the error or whatever it is. If you want to add a new field, you can add it from here and you can execute. Instead of going to open SQL Management Studio, we can directly do the changes from our application. Same like if you want to know a procedure underlined in the report, you can open a report master. Okay, statement of account. You can see it here, edit the report procedure. So here now it's showing as a stored procedure not assigned in the report document master. There, as it said, we need to define the procedure name in the document master, then only it will enable. You can see it here, report document master, utilities, report document master. You need to specify the procedure name in the report definition. Here, if you are defining the procedure name, then only that option is that option will work. Thank you.